12.3.6 Angle sums of differences. As such a question, how could I apply angle sums of differences formulas to simplify expressions? Skill. I could simplify expressions using sum and difference angles formulas. If sine A equals 5 over 13 and cosine B equals 4 over 5, where A and B are positive, find the value of sine of A plus B. Simplify as needed. In this, we're going to have two triangles. One with an angle A and one with an angle B. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, and cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. If we label these, the opposite of angle A is this line right here, this length. The hypotenuse is the longest side, and then the adjacent is the other side. And then for B, opposite right here, adjacent, and hypotenuse the longest side. From here we can start labeling stuff. Opposite of A is going to be 5. The hypotenuse is 13. We want to find this side length right here. On the other triangle, the opposite, we don't know what that is yet. The hypotenuse is 5 and the adjacent is 4. We'll call this side length X and we'll call this side length Y. To solve for X, let's put a Pythagorean theorem. 5 squared plus X squared equals your longest side length squared, 13. 25 plus X squared equals 169. Subtract 25 from each side. X squared equals 144. Take the square root of each side. The side length X equals 12. Let's find the other side length Y. Y squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. Y squared plus 16 equals 25. Subtract 16 from each side. Y squared equals 9. Take the square root. Y equals 3. We want to find sine of A plus B, so we're going to use this formula. So for say it's capital A and capital B instead of V and U. We want to find two other things. Sine of B is going to equal 3 over 5. And then cosine of A is going to give you 12 over 13. From here we could plug in these four values into the formula. 5 over 13 times 4 over 5 plus 3 over 5 times 12 over 13. Multiply and then simplify. We have 4/13 plus 36 over 65. Let's multiply each of these by 5. So we have 20 plus 36 over 65. 56 over 65. And that is sine of A plus B. Try the other examples on your own.